When you check the video files on your GDR, you are unable to find or save the video files and you just assume that your device is broken. In fact, your GDR works just fine and the video files are being overwritten. GDR Troubleshooting unable to find or save my recording file. The following 2 steps will solve your problem. The size of the memory card might be too small, which results in overwriting the video files. If you want to save the video files, please switch to a larger size of memory card. The rule of overwriting. Oldest video at first. Protected video at last. When GDR detects any serious collisions happen, it will immediately save the current recording file as a protected video. To avoid overwriting, you must manually save the video files that you need. Please check the list of compatible memory cards to ensure that your memory card works for GDR. Format your memory card once in 1 to 2 months. Please back up your video files before formatting. You may also watch tutorial GDR Dashcam Use and Care to learn how to format memory card. These are the reasons why you are unable to find or save the video files on GDR. Thank you for watching.